You can earn over $20,000 a month in giveaways by using this website completely free. I have tried it myself, and they are available worldwide. So it doesn't matter where you come from, you can easily make up to $20,000 a month on this website. So like this video and help me to get 1,000 likes on this video. Also comment down below your country name so that I can create more videos for you and others watching from your country. Before we go further to this video, welcome to the Gain Access, where we will teach you the most up-to-date making money, online ideas, tips, and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below today. So the name of this website is onlinebusinessacademy.com. Online Business Academy is a place where future millionaires are made and where people worth multi-millions come to serve the world. My friend Dave Nick, who has a net worth over $20 million, has created this website to help people like you to earn their first million online. Of experience in skyrocketing online businesses like YouTube automation, building personal brands, getting viral with short-form content, and much more. So basically, this is the site where you can learn how to build, operate, and expand your online businesses. Be it faceless YouTube channels, business, drop servicing, selling digital products, or any other online business you can think of. And the most important thing, this website is trusted by some of the industry-leading companies like Upwork, Skillshare, Fiverr, and many other companies mentioned over here. And you can find all those in all classes section over here. So as you can see, there are plenty of courses which you can buy and start earning anywhere between $10,000 to $30,000 a month. Here you can find YouTube courses from industry experts like Dave Nick, Alex Kramer, and many more AI courses from people who are already earning over $20,000 a month on autopilot by just using free AI tools, and many other online business masterclasses that can help you to start your first business online and can help you to earn your first $1 million online. And if you think that you can get all this information for free on YouTube, then you are wrong, my friend. Because YouTube terms and policies do not allow online entrepreneurs to show or talk about those secret methods of making money online. And that is the reason why some people like Dave make a lot of money in any online business. While others struggle to make money online, all the information included in these courses is not allowed by YouTube to be discussed on their platform. So the information here is priceless and can help you to start making money from today itself. For example, this course by Dave Nick on Online Business AI Supercharger. Dave has shown you some of the best secret money-making hacks that he has been using to make tens of thousands of dollars with AI every single month. He will show you step-by-step how to set up your account on different AI websites and how to combine different AI websites to help you generate $20,000 on complete autopilot. Not only that, but you can also join the Online Business Club, where you can network with entrepreneurs and directly to Dave, Nick, and other millionaire founders. As you can see here in the Online Business Club, you can access the information, strategies, tools, opportunities, and people to make your first million and beyond. The club has a rating of 4.9 out of 5-star rating, given by over 3,000 people, which is impressive. And one of the great benefits of joining the Online Business Club is that you can participate in $20,000 a month giveaway for completely free. After joining the club, moreover, if you have joined the club, you will get new private courses, learning materials, and masterclass worth over thousands of dollars for completely free. You will get to know the secret trending money-making strategies and hacks that entrepreneurs like Dave use to go viral every month for free. You will get exclusive new Online Business Club learning materials and guides every month, and you will get access to masterclass from the leading entrepreneurs and content creators. If you value this pack of information that Online Business Club is providing to us, it will be worth over $50,000, but for today, you are getting it for very little to no price. So you will find a link in the description of this video, which will take you to the page where you can join the Online Business Club. So click the link in the description and join the club to avail yourself of all those benefits completely free. And if you want to make even more money, then click on the next video showing on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.